efforts. Drawing with this crayon may substitute a whole PE class. Redhead wants to draw a house for the snail and offers a ruler. Don't you understand? A regular ruler can't be used with the giant crayon. Blue-eyed girl makes her friend smaller, but our chief magician comes to the rescue. She breaks the spell and gives a giant ruler to the girls. Wrap a strip of thin foam plastic in color paper. Attach paper of different colors to the sides. At first, make inch hatch marks with the pencil. Then, define the hatch marks with a black marker at a scale from 1 to 2. And add figures. Drawing with this ruler is a pure delight. It is just enough to make a frame for the snail. The snail is in its house. Now we have to color it. Redhead looks for the paints in her backpack, but Miss Smith must have conjured the school supplies in Redhead's backpack. Instead of the big watercolor, she finds its miniature replica. We will need watercolors and an empty pill blister package. Take some watercolor with a knife and put it into each blister. Press the paint with the top of a pencil cap. Even out the paint. Cut off the top of a thin brush. Attach a toothpick instead of the handle using super glue. Paint the handle with nail polish. Put mini watercolors into a tiny package. Miss Smith is having a magic snack, but then she gives normal-sized watercolors back to the girls so that they won't get angry. The blue-eyed girl gets regular paints, while Redhead has to color her picture with a dwarf-sized brush. At least the colors are bright. Finally, Miss Smith is making something useful. She conjures a cute tiny pencil case. Take 4 rectangular pieces of thick cardboard. Round the corners using a small cap. Cut off the excess. Glue decorative paper of 2 different patterns to the cardboard. Attach a zipper of a needed size to the back of the cardboard. Cut off the excess. Attach the second cardboard piece of the same pattern to the other side of the zipper. Hot glue a thin rubber band to the cardboard to make the inside of the pencil case. Fasten the band to the back. Attach the rubber band with gaps for school supplies. Hot glue the cardboard inside the pencil case. Attach a piece of decorative paper to cover the back of the pencil case with a joint on the zipper. Hot glue the thin rubber band across the edge. I open the pencil case and see mini treasures hidden in it. Tiny little tape, a mini eraser, and teeny pens. And my friend takes out her mini notebooks. Have we got into a Lilliputian school? This teeny pen is the cutest in this case. Take out a refill of a regular pen with a thin nib. Wrap the nib with silver adhesive paper. Wrap the handle with a few layers of decorative tape to make it thicker. Cut off half of the refill. Take a wide cocktail straw to make a cap out of it. Cut off a small piece and stick it in a plug of the same pen from which we got the refill. Put the cap on the mini pen and wrap it with the silver adhesive paper. Decorate the barrel of the pen with thin adhesive film for nail design. This pen would be great for writing secret notes in mini notebooks. And thereafter, we will put all the tiny school supplies into the teeny pencil case. We wish we could shrink the class as well. Did you like our ideas of giant and miniature school supplies? Then write in your comments what you like the most. The mini versions of a pen and a pencil case? Or the maxi variants of a crayon and a ruler? And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. It will always let you know when new and creative ideas appear on the Troom Troom channel.